A mom's battle for stricter and more precise warnings on popular antibiotics has hit another roadblock. Heather McCarthy's son, a Purdue University student, died after taking Levaquin, a fluoroquinolone. WRTV Investigates has been digging into the side effects surrounding these drugs for the past 5 years. Our Kara Kenny explains why an FDA decision is making things more difficult for critics of these drugs.
Heather McCarthy has been on a quest for label changes since the 2013 death of her son, Shay. Shay was suffering from psychiatric side effects from the antibiotic Levaquin and died after he crashed his car into a cement embankment.
He knew that this drug had affected him, and no one chose to listen to him. Shay will always be missed by myself and his friends and his other family members. And that's why I just think this was so important.
Shay took a fluoroquinolone. They're popular antibiotics used to treat infections like pneumonia. In June 2019, the Southern Network for Adverse Reactions and Dr. Charles Bennett submitted a petition to the FDA requesting changes that would impact fluoroquinolones, including a black box warning about potential psychiatric adverse reactions, including suicide.
More and more people have very severe psychiatric side effects from these drugs, and it's just a hidden secret according to where the FDA is at now. And it should not be a hidden secret.
The petition also requested the FDA add fluoroquinolone-associated disability to the black box warning. On August 28th, more than a year after the petition was submitted, the FDA denied their request, saying the drug's label has already undergone numerous updates to inform prescribers and patients of the drug's risk. The FDA also expressed concern about delaying access to the drug for serious infections.
I think it's disappointing. That was really important to me to clarify that black box so that when they are referring to the central nervous system, it's the psychiatric issues that could be so harmful to people, which was certainly affected my son, that there would be clarity there. And that when people looked at it, they would know right away, okay, I get this, as opposed to something more convoluted.
Fluoroquinolone-associated disability, the neuropsychiatric problems, suicides, things like that are so deeply hidden in the current package insert and in the medication guide, you can't find them. Doctors don't know this side effect. We wanted to change that, and what we got is an answer that says absolutely no.
The drug maker Janssen stopped making brand name Levaquin in December 2017. However, the product may remain on shelves. Plus, the label changes would have impacted all fluoroquinolones, which are still being used across the country, including to treat COVID-19 related pneumonia. Heather McCarthy, Dr. Bennett, and other advocates plan to reach out to congressmen and find other ways to inform the public about mental health side effects from these antibiotics.
That's my purpose, and I certainly will never shut up about it.
Working for you, Kara Kenny, WRTV.
We did reach out to the FDA for its response, and they directed us to their 8-page letter, which you can find in this story on the WRTV app and our website at WRTV.com. We also contacted the makers of Levaquin for a response, and they say, quote, "We have extensively studied Levaquin, and though we no longer manufacture the product for the use, we do continue to work closely with the FDA to ensure that the prescribing information appropriately reflects the risks and benefits of the medicine based on information available," end quote.